Have you ever wondered how we hear the world around us? Today, we're diving into the fascinating anatomy of the ear. The ear is made up of three main parts: the outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Each part plays a unique role in the hearing process. Did you know that the outer ear collects sound waves? These waves travel through the ear canal and hit the eardrum, causing it to vibrate. Once the eardrum vibrates, the middle ear amplifies these vibrations. This is where the tiny bones called ossicles come into play, enhancing the sound. Finally, the inner ear converts these vibrations into electrical signals. These signals are sent to the brain, allowing us to interpret sounds. Understanding how our ears work helps us appreciate the beauty of sound. From music to conversations, hearing enriches our lives every day. We trust this video provided valuable insights. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the hearing department at Entecare if you have any questions.